you looking for ways to get feeling better, to make a lifestyle change for the better, to lose weight, improve your energy, and still keep a strong immunity? Well, that's what I'm here to share with you. I've learned through my experience a way that you can get focused on boosting your immune system while maintaining your energy and still get the benefits of your health goals. It's easy to do, and it has powerful benefits for you. What I learned when I was going through the Clinical Health Institute and helping people that are critically ill is that to really simplify your digestion and focus on either starches and proteins when you're doing your digestion, not completely take them away, but just alternate days and really change it up with the foods that you eat can really help you overcome your immunity problems. And if you're, for instance, reacting to gluten, or if your kidneys and liver are shutting down and you need to revitalize your organs, you really need to minimize the stress and the oxidative wear and tear and the amount of enzymes, because those enzymes that we use in our digestion, if we're not using them to digest food, then we're using them to heal. And we need to be healing our body if we're critically ill. The amazing thing happened to these individuals is when they started eating this way, their body started to shed weight. And so that's just a side perk of really getting healthy. And so that's some of my background that I've been sharing with you in this Eat to Live program, and helping you get off your sugars and really build your biome in your gut, the way that your body helps and builds your brain is directly connected to the way that you eat, and what you eat is going to govern how you feel. So you're feeding your brain is you, so your heart is in there too, but you want to make sure that you're getting all of the information that you can to really be healthy. So dividing up your protein and starch days is a way to really maximize your energy. If you ever know the California diet, there was a book out maybe 10 or 15 years ago that shared the California diet. And basically what that was for every meal that you eat, you might just have your veggies and your protein, like a piece of steak and some broccoli and carrots, or a salad with some chicken, or some salmon with some, not rice, but with, a stir fry of veggies. So that was kind of the California diet. And if you had a potato and veggies, that would be a separate meal, but just eating differently each meal. But what I recommend for those that really want to maximize their efforts here in learning to get control of their appetites in their body is to alternate entire days. So you might have a day or a week of protein and veggies, and that includes breakfast and everything, lunch all the way through. Your legumes or proteins, or your nuts, or your eggs and meats, and then on starch days you would have oatmeal or brown rice and veggies, roasted veggies and salad, and you won't be eating a lot of breads, but more grains and whole foods. So, that's why I really recommend getting a balanced outlook of what I've been leading up to is, really being able to scale down the way that you eat, reduce your condiments, and get rid of your milks and all the sugars because of the lactose, and just a lot of people's reactions are to breads and dairy and condiments and chemicals in food. So we just kind of eliminate those and just start from scratch. Like your body is a little teeny baby, we're going to just take care of you from there and go up from there. And you're never hungry when you eat this way. You have to eat more frequently, in fact, because when food normally is in your body with all of the carbs and starches and everything combined, it's in there for a lot longer, and you're drawing energy from it in your stomach because you have to have all of these enzymes to help you digest it, which is why this little guy helps so much in making you feel better. Is it helps with that process of assimilation of your food and breaking it down into smaller pieces so that you can absorb it and feel good. So anyway, by combining your foods differently, you'll feel better and you'll lose weight. So, that's just a little advertisement for the upcoming one-time offer, and I hope that you stick with me. If you really want to make a big game changer difference, this is your chance to do it. So, and eating out is okay too. When you do this, you can just get extra veggies instead of bread, or on a protein day, you can take your rice or your potato home. And so I think that will really help you. You have to control your willpower. I often ask my waiter if I'm going to eat carefully like that to just box it up. I say, I would like some rolls, but would you box them up for me so I can take them home? Or would you put my rice and my potato or whatever in a box for me and bring it out at the very beginning of my meal so I don't get tempted to eat it all? And that way it really helps me stay focused. So with fast foods, it's a little harder. You can get a baked potato or a hamburger wrap with lettuce. Or if you go to oatmeal, you can eat at McDonald's, because their oatmeal, little mix is really quite good with some apples in it and some nuts. Or are they craisins and apples? Yeah, I think craisins and apples. So that's my overview of food combining. And I hope that introduction kind of gives you something to look forward to if you're sticking with me. And I've loved sharing these solutions with you, and hope that you're having a lot of success in the way that you feel and the energy that's coming to you through your simple little habits that you're incorporating. So good job, and we'll see you next time.